everyone. So in my last video I showed you how this sketch to image works with the new Samsung Galaxy Fold Z6, but today I'm going to show you another way that you can actually do it with even more control of what you're creating. So to do this, to demonstrate this, I downloaded a picture here of a Pikachu, and it's actually what we're going to use in this project. So I'm going to go ahead and open this picture. So when you open it from your gallery, now you can go ahead and activate the sketch or the drawing to image, whatever you want to call it. So you want to bring out your S Pen, tap on the S Pen widget, and then you select sketch to image. Now you can see now you don't see the Pikachu image anywhere. But what we're going to do is we're going to change the opacity of the entire screen so we can be able to actually see the Pikachu underneath where we're drawing. So you want to tap over here. Over here, you're going to have these. It's actually the tool that you use to enhance the opacity. So you're going to go ahead and slide it to the right. You're going to go ahead and slide it to the right, and that way you'll be actually able to see through a little bit so you can see the Pikachu image in the back. If you take it all the way, you'll almost be able to see everything. You'll be seeing the image that is underneath where you want to draw. So now we're going to go ahead and actually draw on top of this. We're going to try to actually kind of trace the Pikachu, and that way we'll be having a lot more control of the image that will come out from the sketch to image controls. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start drawing on top of this, drawing my Pikachu. This one doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to trace over. Anybody can do this. Anybody can really do this. It's just tracing. But with this, we're going to have more control of the image that comes out of the entire process of sketch to image. So we're going to go ahead and draw Pikachu's round cheeks here, and we're gonna go ahead and draw his ear all the way. For some reason I can't actually draw over some areas, so this is a new feature that way we're actually learning a lot about the Samsung Fold Z6's AI. But with this, it should be able to give us a more controlled image. Because remember in the first one yesterday, we were just drawing out of our heads. So you have to be good at drawing in order for you to use that process. If you haven't watched that video, I'm going to link to it in the description below, where actually we were using this feature for the first time. And then I learned there is another way that you can actually do this with a lot more control of the image that you want to create. I should have made my image to cover less area, because now I'm learning that when you're drawing on the screen, you can see on the bottom here where the image ends. Some of the places I can't draw over them. So now let's go ahead and actually let me see what I can do with this. If I can, I'm gonna choose the illustration style, and I'll hit create. Let's see what it does with this. So when it's creating the image, it's showing you a little bit of some information, and you can see what happened out of this. Like this should be illegal. This is really insane. Look at the Pikachu they created from only these doodles. They created this image in an illustration style. It even knew the color of what we're trying to go for. It created that one. Beautiful, beautiful images of a Pikachu. Oh my gosh, I really do love this one. It's kind of 3D-ish, even though we chose illustration. So it creates beautiful illustrations out of this. Let me change the style from illustration, and I'm going to say sketch, and let's see what it generates. So it has all these different forms of art styles that you can create your image in. It has illustration, it has pop style, it has sketch. This is a sketch one. It's coming out now. Oh my gosh, that's actually really good. That's like Detective Pikachu kind of information over there. And we're going to go ahead and actually change the style again from sketch to pop art. And let's see what the pop art ones look like. So this way, if you use this method of actually knocking down the opacity and putting an image in the background and tracing over it, you can create more controlled images, and you can control a little bit more of your results of what you want your results to look like. So let's go to the 3D finally and see what the 3D images that are created out of this Samsung Galaxy Fold Z6's AI sketch to image look like. So these are the 3D images. They look pretty good too, if I may say. And if we had actually, now you can see here we have a few things that may be unwanted, but you remember when I was actually drawing on top of the image that there is some areas that we were not able to draw from. So that's how you learn. So now what happens next time is you want to create your image in the background that you're going to draw over to be able to fit a certain part of the screen in order to get rid of results like this, or to control more of those results. But either way, this way you have more control of the images that you actually are creating, and it actually looks even more cuter. So thank you so much guys again for watching, and I hope you guys really liked this video. And if you did, please leave me a thumbs up and share this video. And also I'll be back with another video of the tips on how to create and how to use your Samsung Galaxy Fold Z6. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.